Hi, in this video, we're going to look at creating a question within Google Classroom. So we're in our training demo class. You'll come to the classwork tab, select create, come down to question. And so here we will ask a question. Get some instructions. And like before, you can add from your Google Drive, if you have a form there, a link, a file, or a YouTube video. If needed, you can create a document, a Google slide, sheets, drawings, or a form. You can ask questions in either short answer or multiple choice. So like if you wanted to do an exit ticket for the day or something like that, you can do that. You can assign points to it. So you can grade it, or you can just do ungraded. You can give it a due date, or if it's something you want to do as a opening for your day, you can set a due date and a time for it to be done, like within the first 10 minutes of class, that type of thing. Topic, as you create topics, you can add this to a topic. Students can reply to each other. You'll see on the student side here in a second, I'll show you what that looks like. But if students can reply to each other, if that's checked, and then students are going to be able to talk to each other during the assignment. If you turn that off, then they can only make private comments back and forth with you. So we'll leave that on for right now so you can see it. And then students can edit that answer. That would be once the student submits it, if they wanted to resubmit or edit their answer, they could do that if this box is checked. So we're going to go ahead and ask this question. And we're going to go over to the student side. And you'll see here on the student side that a question has been asked. And this is in the string field in the student side. So we're going to click on that. And it gives you the brief deal. So here's the, oh, that's the quiz. Sorry. Here's the question. I'm sorry. There's the question. So here's, how are you doing today? Here's a brief summary of how today. This is the class comment. So if I wanted to make a class comment, that's where I would do that. And we can turn it in. If I needed to make a private comment with my teacher, I can do that right there. So we're going to turn that in. It gives me a warning. I won't be able to change it. So now that is turned in. Let's go back to the teacher side. And we'll see here that I have one that's turned it in, one of my students. I can see how they answered. I can give them a grade. And I can return this to the student, letting them know and give them a comment. Now that student will be notified that they got 100 on the assignment and that they did a great job. So that's a short, quick, easy way to ask questions, to do an exit ticket, to do a warm-up that you can take to get some feedback from your students. Thank you. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.